guys, here's a quick tutorial on how to join daisy granny squares. I use this method whenever I make anything that requires a chain of granny squares like headbands or straps. It's really easy, even more so once you get the hang of it. So yeah, let's get started. Here we have a complete daisy granny square with 8 petals and 4 spaces on each edge. I'm going to set this down for a bit. And here we have an incomplete daisy granny square with 2 corners, and I stopped stitching halfway through the 3rd corner. Let me just add 1 chain here. Starting with the current piece on your hook, we are going to link it to the complete daisy granny square. So take the completed piece and find a corner you'd want to work on. It's this for me. Now insert your hook from the wrong side of the complete daisy granny square, pull up a loop, and pull through the loop on your hook as you would with a slip stitch. Then chain 1. Return to your incomplete piece and make 3 double crochets into the same chain space to finish the 3rd corner. After that, chain 1, and then hold up the complete daisy granny square again, and from the back side of the next space, insert your hook and make another slip stitch like you did earlier. And chain 1, and return to your incomplete piece, and work 3 half double crochets into the next chain space for the edge. And chain 1. Go back to the complete daisy granny square, and from the back side of the 3rd space, insert your hook and make a slip stitch again, and chain 1. For the last corner, we have the last chain space here, so start with 3 double crochets. And chain 1. At the bottom corner of the complete daisy granny square, work a slip stitch and chain 1. Then go back to your current piece to finish the last corner with 3 double crochets into the same chain space. To complete the round, just chain 1 and slip stitch into the topmost chain of where you started. Just lock your work, and you've linked the 2 pieces together. For more crochet ideas, find me, the Morning Hooker, on Instagram. Also, my latest pattern, the Drippin Daisies Bucket Bag, is now available. Check out the description below to find out how to purchase it. As always, thanks for watching!